My cousin lives in Tokyo. Tokyo is a city so used in for this. We have a family dinner on Sundays. On is used weekdays, days of the week because each day is seen as one unit on a calendar. The concert starts at 8 p.m. 8 is used for exact clock times as they show clear points in time. I was born in 1995. In is used for years since a year is a long period of time. There is a note on the fridge door. On is used for surfaces because something is placed on top of or attached to a surface. I will see you on Friday evening. On is used because Friday is a day and they require on. The cat is hiding in the closet. In is used for closet or surrounding spaces as something is located inside that space. My birthday is in May. In is used with months because a month is a long time period. There was a strange sound in the middle of the night. In used for long periods of time such as night. My phone is on the desk. On is used because the object rests on a surface. I met my best friend in high school. In is used for large environments where activities happen inside that place. We usually go swimming at the weekend. At is used because the weekend is treated as one fixed time unit. She always studies in the library after school. In is used because a building surrounds the person or object inside it. I wrote the date at the top of the page. At is used to show a specific point or position. My favorite moment was at that time. At is used for particular moment or exact point in time. So remember in for long periods and big places, on for days and surfaces, at for exact times and specific points. Follow for more.